Hello guys, so for quite some time I've been thinking, what if there is one place where somebody can just go download desktop application and just install it, start using it in their businesses, office, school, church, hospital, clinics, you can name them. So currently I couldn't find such a place, and all the softwares are available. Of course, they are subscription based, and there are some things I think that is too basic to just be paying a subscription for. Somebody who loves desktop more, I decided to create a desktop app store where you can just go there and download the desktop application. Of course, it's simple. Just set up your database, load it, install, and you just start using it immediately. And due to that, it inspired me to create this website. It's called moshecrafts.com. And as you can see here, I have a list of desktop application. Currently, I have the Moshe Finance because this is a banking and finance management software. I have a finance expense tracking application. This is also free. You can just download these ones for free. Moshe Invoice, which you can use to generate your invoices instantly. Then we have Moshe Debt, where you can manage your customers' debt and payments. Then we have a Moshe Price List, where you can generate custom price list for your business. Quotation, of course, for generating cost quotations. All these are free. We have the Moshe Dereva for driving schools, of course. We have a gallery viewer. This one is also free, of course, for viewing a gallery. We have a church management system, of course, to help churches track and manage their finances, membership, inventory. Then finally, we have the school management system. Of course, this one is for schools and for learning institutions. And these are some of the benefits that we get by downloading these applications. If the app is free, you're going to use it for free for life, and you don't need to pay anything for it, and you're going to have total access to your data because it's local. And if it's paid for, the payment is one-time payment, no subscription. You only pay once, you use it forever. Now the apps are also fully customizable. That means if you need a feature, I can add it for you at a price. And of course, if you want a custom feature just built for you, I can do that for you as well. Fully customizable to meet your specific needs. And of course, I ensure since I make sure to optimize the application so that it is efficient and it is secure, and you're the one who has full access to your data. Because during development, I'll have full access, but the moment I hand it over to you, you're the only one who has access unless you give me access. Then the approach I've taken is that the softwares are offline, fast accessible. That means that when the database is local, of course, you can access it locally fast. And if your database is online, you can access it via when you're online. And I've designed this software so that they are very easy to use. I'll just show you in less than 30 minutes and you can use it. So they are extremely user friendly. Anybody can use them for, for performing a specific task. And I've made sure to ensure that the databases, the software does not consume so much resources so that it can work even on laptops and desktops. So if you have a project, let's say it's a school, it's a shop, it's a church, or anything, even if it's a personal project, you can just contact me and you give me your description. I give you a proposal, we discuss on the budget, then I begin developing your application. So this is how you can contact me. You can call me via this, you can email me, you can WhatsApp me. You can also get me on my socials. So guys, this is my app store, and I am going to keep adding more applications so that in case you need anything, you just come here. And these ones are just totally free. You can just download them and you just install them and you're good to go. You don't even need to set up a database, especially this Moshe invoice, quotation, price list, debt. They're all using SQLite in the back on the database, so you don't need to start setting up a DB. So guys, I think that's all I can say for now. So you can request your custom application. And as well, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is where I post some details, the tutorials, the docs. You can only subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.